major reason why you need to know how to use that skin type. There are so many things we don't need to touch for our skin to light up and to be beautiful. One on the list, you see acid. We don't need acid for our skin to be beautiful. Yes, sometimes you need to exfoliate your skin if you say you want to go with lactic acid, but you don't need the full combination of AHA, having mandelic acid, salicylic acid, kilo shelley. No, just pick one particular acid, which is maybe lactic acid. That will be good for you. Glycolic acid will definitely not be good on you. It will be too harsh on your skin and it might burn you out. So, no. Another what I'm trying to say is that acid tends to overwhelm sensitive skin. Now, the fifth on the list is harsh skincare products. Now, for people that say they want to white in 2 days, in 3 days, I want to go to a party. Sorry, mo fẹ́ lọ sí party 1 week. Come here. Come. This one is for you. You are not supposed to do that. And once you have a sensitive skin, I said a little or nothing at all even goes a long way for you. Just little products. You see your skin so beautiful, becoming even, and the complexion becoming brighter once you have a sensitive skin. So you don't need all the book. You put this, you put that, you put this. You even, a new skincare brand that just come out, you want to go there. The other one is, you want to go there. Everywhere you want to go. Your skin will just burn. You just be seeing redness. Before you get to your 60s, or should I say, even before 60s and 50, skin ain't gonna nothing jono, body. Please and please, let's do better. This is 2026. Things have really evolved. So we shouldn't be treating our skin like the way our mothers did theirs. Now you should up your game. If you get my drift. Now the sixth on our list is strong essential oils. This one, Oshe Pataki. Because there was a time, organic was all about the thing then. And any small thing, you will hear people, I put essential oil inside. I put this essential oil. I put carrier oil. I put this one. Those oils are good. They have their own benefits. But if not used properly, they can also have some effects on the skin as well. And you need to be sure of the essential oil you are putting in a product for you to know if it works for you. Because not all essential oils is actually suitable for the skin, as much as carrier oil as well. So you need to know the essential oil that best suits your skin and the ones that you could flow with. Because for someone with sensitive skin, you need an oil that would absorb from 0 to 2%. And there are some essential oils that trigger irritation. I know some of you say, essential oil is a natural oil. Why does it trigger irritation? Try using peppermint oil. Is it for you? No. Most of the time, most of you don't even know the oils to go for. You don't know which of the oil is best suits your skin, which one you should use in mixing your cream. You don't know. But you just mix all the old bobo to go together. So it doesn't work that way. If you're going to be using essential oils, please just a little. And you don't apply essential oils directly on your skin. No. Those oils, forget the fact that they are very tiny, like tiny bombs. They are very, very effective. Really effective. So if you're going to be using essential oils, 1 drop, 2 drop, that's enough for someone with sensitive skin. All right? And make sure it's an essential oil that best suits your skin type. Don't just go around buying essential oil. Now, the 7th on our list, that is cleansers. Now, too much foaming cleansers that foam too much, that lathers a lot. All right? It's also not too good for people with sensitive skin. Yes, it should lather, but not too much. All right? So that it doesn't dry the skin out. You need your skin to have a certain lipids. All right? You need to feel a little bit of moist on your skin. It shouldn't be completely dry. All right? So you need to be wary about these 7 products I just mentioned. All right? If you have a sensitive skin, little does it, my dear. You don't need too much work. All right? Just little and ease up on the scrub, if you know what I mean. And I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Mickey loves you like kilo day. Bye, guys.